Hi everyone, this is Radhika from Radical Kitchen. I'm so happy today because I'm here with my mother, Shamuli, and today we are going to be making
Aloo Bonda,
aloo means potato. Bonda is like little balls.
round balls.
Round balls, right? So Mama, tell us, what is the first thing we need to do to make aloo bondas? We need potatoes.
Boiled potato which has to be grated.
Okay, so we've already grated two. I'm just doing the third. So we are basically mashing the potatoes.
Potatoes, huh?
Okay, this is done. Now what do we do next?
Into this, I'm going to add onions which are already grated.
Okay.
Green chilies which are chopped.
So should I add it?
Yes, add.
Add it. So we've added some onions, yes.
Then add little salt. About,
Yeah, that's salt. Little bit of salt.
yes.
So we are making the dumpling or the bonda mix.
Mix it properly, Radhika.
Okay. Master chef, the chef, mummy. My mummy taught me, she was my teacher in school and she taught me home science. So it feels like I'm going back.
This is the most simplest dish which anybody can make. Only need 3 items, 3 ingredients. Onions, salt, little green chili to taste. Otherwise, in place of green chilies, you can add pepper. And to make it slightly sour, we add lime juice.
Okay. So we're adding some lemon juice here. Yeah. Okay. Right. That's it. Right. And then we've added
Mix it up
salt.
nicely.
Mix it up nicely.
Now, make small balls.
So we make these bondas. So there are other recipes, other ways to do it. And, some people might even cook this potato filling. So you can cook it with some oil and some spices. But this is my mother's way.
Less spicy, good for health. Less oil.
You got it straight from Master Chef. Yeah. So just to kind of recap, potatoes, boiled, mashed, we grated them. And like Mummy said, it just has some grated onions, green chilies, lemon juice, and a bit of salt.
That's all. This is the filling.
Okay. And what are we going to do next?
Now we will make the batter.
The batter. The batter is there. Okay. So we are now going to make the batter for the aloo bonda. So this is the boiled potato dumpling balls bondas. So Mummy, what do we need to make the batter?
We need besan. This is Bengal gram flour.
So we've got some besan, Bengal gram flour.
Into it we will add 2 pinches of baking powder.
So we've got some baking powder, a little bit of baking powder.
And to activate it, a drop of water.
Water, that's fine. Should I mix it?
Yes.
Okay, and then we've got some salt.
Salt.
Some black pepper? No, this is ajwain or carom seeds.
Carom seeds.
Yeah.
This is added for digestion because this is a very strong flour.
Okay.
And then to make it soft from inside, we will add about a tablespoon of oil.
Okay. So we are making the batter for the aloo bonda and we've added some salt, some oil and some ajwain or carom seeds.
Carom seeds. Nicely we have to mix it so that baking powder and oil is properly mixed with the flour.
Okay, so we are going to be doing that, making the batter. Every birthday, Mummy would make aloo bondas. It's like going back to my childhood. They would be, so the menu would be aloo bondas, khatte chane, chickpeas, and Mummy's chutney and cheese sandwiches to die for.
And cake.
And cake, of course. Homemade cake.
Home-baked cake.
Home-baked cake.
Then we will add little water at a time to make a very thick batter. And when we are making the batter, we have to see that there are no lumps. So one has to be very careful. If we add too much of water, the batter might become very thin and it will not coat the balls.
Okay, so the thing is, what you're saying is add a little bit of water at a time to slowly build the consistency of the batter. Otherwise, by mistake, if you put a lot of water, then it becomes very gila, patla, and then liquidy.
The lumps should not be there at all. So we have to beat it very nicely.
Beat it nicely. And thickish, the consistency of the batter should be such that we have a nice coating to coat the aloo bondas.
Yes. After you beat it, see that it coats the back of a spoon.
Okay, so that's a really good tip.
If it is thin, it will run down.
Yeah. So this is nice, perfectly. So this is a perfect consistency to coat the the dumplings, the Aloo Bonda. Why do I call it dumplings? Aloo Bonda. It's from Mumbai. It's Bombay. It's Indian. It's my childhood favorite snack.
The oil has to be quite hot.
Okay. If you're adding baking powder, says Master Chef Mom, we will rest this batter for 5 minutes for it to activate.
Yes.
And the oil will get hot in the meantime. I hope you're hungry because I am. And Mummy's also made some tamarind chutney to go with it. Okay, so let's leave it for 5 minutes, Mummy.
Yeah. Into this batter, we will place these balls and coat them round properly from all sides.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so we are now coating the aloo bondas in the besan batter, which we've rested for about 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah. And I'm heating the oil. So we are just going to deep fry it and then it's ready to eat. Like Mummy said, this is such a super easy, simple snack with very few ingredients.
Yeah.
So now it's time to fry the aloo bondas. So the oil is hot, and Mummy, you used to tell there was a test to check if the oil is hot. Now, so what are we doing?
We have to fry them in hot oil. So to know whether the temperature is right, we will put a drop of batter into the oil.
Yeah.
If it sizzles and comes up, the oil is ready.
So this is perfect.
This is. So now...
Bravo, Mommy! Let's fry the aloo bonda.
Now we will put one at a time.
Yeah.
You have to slide it so that it doesn't splitter.
So gently put the aloo bondas in the oil so that it doesn't kind of
splash. You know, the oil should not splash.
And I'm going to turn this up a bit.
Because we are putting 4 of them at times, the temperature is reduced.
You don't want to put too many aloo bondas because then
the temperature of the oil will go down and the potatoes and this ball will break.
Okay. So just to make sure, don't overcrowd them when you fry and make sure there is a little space between them for the aloos to fry from all sides. Yeah. Now here you have great tips from the mother-daughter duo, Radhika and my mommy.
And we will just slightly turn them.
So we can also add some chopped coriander leaves. We'd run out of some coriander leaves, but if you're making it at home, when you're adding the onions and the chilies, you can also add some coriander leaves and some dry mango powder, amchur.
No, we have put lime juice.
I forgot. So, Mummy, how does one eat it? Do you serve it with any chutney or what do we do?
It has. You can use it, you flatten it and you put it between slices and it becomes burger.
So there's an Indian, very well-known, famous and yum called Vada pav. It's, so we can have it as a Vada pav or just as a snack. With some chutney.
Yeah. Or you can make a gravy, tomato gravy, and you can put them as dumpling.
There you go. So that's why it's versatile. You can do so many things from it, but it's simple, yummy. And so we're going to fry these till they are
golden brown.
So approximately 4 to 5 minutes? 4 to 5 minutes frying time on high oil. So this is gram flour. It's not self-raising flour. No. It's chickpea. It's made with chickpeas.
We call it horse flour.
Horse flour? Oh, okay.
Because horses are fed the chana.
Horse flour, besan, gram flour. So that's the batter. So the baking powder that you added, so that was to give a bit of crispiness to the batter. So the potatoes inside cook, but they stay soft. It's a beautiful blend of textures. So we can see the color of the coating changing.
So they are done. Ready.
Okay. Mama, do you want to try?
No, you try and your expression will tell me that the bondas are very tasty and delicious. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. And if you've enjoyed watching us cook, then please give us a thumbs up.